Let's be real, a lot of you guys have been asking me if there's a way to download your favorite shows straight from the official HBO Max app as MP4 files. The answer is an absolutely no.
Nope.
If you're still relying on the official app for offline downloads, you are setting yourself up for disappointment. You don't actually own any of those files. They're just a DRM protected cache. You know the drill. You download something for a flight, and the second your subscription expires or a show gets pulled, your entire library is just gone. If you want to build a real permanent media collection, you have to use a third-party tool. StreamFab is currently the first and the only tool on the internet can rip Max videos losslessly into true 4K MP4 files. Let me show you exactly how to unlock this right now. Before we start downloading, we are going to do a quick 10-second setup so you never have to worry about the settings again. Open up StreamFab, look down on the bottom left and click on My Account. From there, go into Settings and then hit Preferences. Find the VIP Services tab at the top, go to Preferred Settings and look for the video format drop-down. Switch that to MP4, set it and forget it. By doing this right now, every single show or movie you download from now on will automatically default to a universal playable MP4 file. No extra steps later. Let's test this in real time with a massive hit comedy series, Hacks. Go directly into HBO Max module inside StreamFab, log into your account and click on the show. Play any episode, then give the system a second or two to analyze the video source. Now, pay close attention because here is the secret sauce. When the download box pops up, the format is already locked to MP4 thanks to our setup. But if you want to unlock the ultimate cinema level 4K quality, you must change the video codec to H.265. The exact second you select H.265, the resolution options open up and you can grab the true 4K option, pick audio and subtitles and hit download. Look at how incredibly fast this progress bar is moving. StreamFab is essentially maxing out your internet connection. While this downloads, let me just remind you why having independent files is so important. It all comes down to freedom. Streaming platforms are constantly raising their prices and shows disappear without warning. But once this MP4 is on your hard drive, you have complete control forever. Alright, the download is finished, let's check the receipts. I'm opening my local folder, and if you check the file properties, you can see it is a raw unencrypted .mp4 file. And for my hardcore quality slot, let's drop it straight into MediaInfo. Look right there. 3840 by 1920 resolution. That is undeniable uncompressed 4K, and it even triggers native Dolby Vision. Peak viewing quality. You can toss this on a Plex server, a flash drive for your TV, or edit it however you want. If you are ready to ditch the official app restrictions, I put the StreamFab download link in my description and pinned comment. Grab it, let me know what to download first, and I'll catch you in the next one.